For comfortable relief of external hemorrhoids, try Preparation H Ointment gels and creams. Before starting, empty your bowels and bladder if possible. Thoroughly clean the anal area. We suggest using Preparation H Medicated Wipes to cool, soothe, and cleanse for better relief. Step 1. Wash your hands with mild soap and warm water, then dry. Step 2. Open the tube by puncturing the foil seal with the pointed end of the cap. Step 3. Squeeze a dime-size amount onto your fingertip. Step 4. Gently apply the product to the affected area using your finger so there is a thin layer covering the entire area. If you feel you need extra relief, you can apply a little more cream to the external anus area with your finger. Step 5. Wash your hands with mild soap and warm water. We suggest you wait at least 1 hour before using the bathroom. You can use up to 4 times a day, including nighttime, in the morning, or after each bowel movement, but you should only use one Preparation H product at a time. Get comfortable with Preparation H.